Hello, my good people. This is Wefwafwa Andrew, and I'm back again. First of all, I want to appreciate you all for the donations that you've sent. We are so grateful, and we are now moving. At least we've been able to get some things that can give us protection while we are giving the services, and we've been able to improve the services that we are offering. So I just want to say thank you very much. I just hope that we shall continue working together. I just hope that you will continue guiding me because I know very little. I need your guidance. I need your prayers. I need your support. Concerning the payment, we are still using Western Union. Then we are also using SENDWAVE and WorldRemit. We don't have PayPal in Uganda, but I'm working on Patreon, and then I want to see if GoFund can also work. Otherwise, thank you all for the support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing our videos. I will soon drop the community videos for day 3. Thank you all. I love you all. May God bless you. Peace.